Hey, welcome back to the channel from the Queen Bee Hotel in Winnipeg. Probably one of the better budget motels I've ever stayed in. Super friendly staff, and the room was comfortable and really clean, and it was actually pretty quiet, even though some reviews said it was noisy. This is the biggest city I'll be in for quite a while, so I think I've got myself all squared away. I've got the new gas bag still in the same spot, but this time Mama didn't raise no dummy. Second time around anyways. So should have bounced loose. Hopefully it doesn't go flying down the road for some other lucky recreation enthusiast to find himself 4 liters of fuel. Ontario's huge, so driving away and we'll see how far we get. It's 10 o'clock now. Just drive till I'm tired. All right, let's hit the road. I realize every time I turn this camera on, even though the sound is good and I can talk and you guys can hear me, there's a click as soon as you turn it on. I guess that's the Road AI thingy-mabob is adjusting. So I can't be too excited. First click on and start screaming about wild animals or whatever it is I see. Got a nice little run this morning, a little workout, and breakfast. And we'll see if the old battery out and in works for this thing, even though I know it's all charged up. Please, GoPro, go out of business. No. Alright, oh well. I tried calling a couple of motorcycle shops, but it is a holiday today, so I'll call tomorrow. Well, looks like closed for the holiday. So I'm sure I'll find another one somewhere along my route. I'd really like to get this cruise control thingy fixed. Back to the main road and onward. Stopped to get fuel there earlier, and I've done a big loop around. Did my errands. Stopped at the hardware store. Got some stickies that may work. I'll try some different options. And at the grocery store for some lunch supplies. I've got all the fixins for a sandwich down at Rabbit Lake in Kenora. Fuel myself up, and then we'll get back on the road. Okay, got the GoPro to work. Lunch is done. Get back on the main road. Fortunately, there isn't really even side roads you can sort of take to get a nicer view or less busy route. Trans-Canada is pretty much the only route really that goes there. Probably little side roads that would take days. Just get across Ontario for the real trip to start. Okay, I'm a couple 100k from Thunder Bay. Stopped at the Fill and Chill and got myself some samosas and butter chicken for dinner. 7 o'clock. I've mapped out a logging road about 13k down the road. Google Maps shows some spots. All I need is something like this. Hopefully a little bit farther up the road. I saw a bridge, and I said it was 7, but it's actually 8. I lost an hour. Another time zone shift. I'll go as far as the bridge, maybe less if I find a good spot. I think this will do just fine. Alright, I decided to check out the bridge. see, sometimes there's, oh dear. This will do just fine. It's even flat. Okay, gonna quickly set up the tent and then eat. This will be a great chance to really try out that thermocell. I'm gonna set it up and I'll give you an update. Mosquitoes are really bad. I'm not sure if the thermocell's working or not because I put it underneath them and they're still flying around. But I am put on some bug spray. I'm getting annihilated. It might be working a little bit. Anyways, I quickly wanted to show you the new items. So I bought a new sleeping pad, the Tenere UL4S from MEC, and a little pillow. Inflate them and then I'll show you guys them. I finally got rid of my ratty old travel pillow from an airplane that I've been using for years. All right, here's the fancy new mattress and pillow that I got. It's supposed to have a better R value, so maybe keep me a bit warmer and hopefully more comfy. Dinner tonight is buttered chicken, some samosas, and some Crown and Coke. And since I lost that hour, it's almost 9 o'clock. So I'm just gonna finish setting up the bed, eat, and then hit the hay. Long day of riding today, another long day tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. All right, Crown and Coke. I'm gonna say the thermocell is working because when I stopped here, I was bombarded by a bazillion mosquitoes, and now there's just a handful floating about. Because that's working, I think that calls for a dance party. David Guetta at 2024 Tomorrowland. So what it looks like when an old man is raving. What? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.